Well, welcome back. Well, Elon Musk put his bid to take over Twitter on hold until Twitter comes clean on fake accounts. The billionaire tweeted this overnight: 20% fake spam accounts, while 4 times what Twitter claims could be much higher. My offer was based on Twitter's SEC filings being accurate. Yesterday, Twitter CEO publicly refused to show proof of less than 5%. This deal cannot move forward until he does. Yesterday, Musk responded to Twitter CEO Parag Agrawal's series of tweets saying that he could not confirm which accounts are spam. Ryan, this is the issue that Devin Nunes brought up first and foremost on this program, saying that so many accounts are actually robots. Elon Musk says he can make the deal for less. Is this Elon's way of getting the price down, or do you think he really believes that more than 20% of the accounts on Twitter are actually fake?
No, this is 100% a negotiating ploy because it's something that's kind of intangible. You can't really figure that out. They can't disclose that information to Elon. And I just love the fact his greatest negotiating ploy is he just uses a poop emoji after everything that the Twitter CEO says. He just pokes fun at everything. I love this. So I'm going to start using that emoji as well.
I don't know that you can't figure it out, though. I mean, Ryan, look, I don't think it's impossible to figure this out. Twitter should know how many accounts are fake. Elon Musk said at one point over the last couple of days that it could be 90%. We just don't know because they're not giving us accurate information. I mean, Devin Nunes said that it's a lot more than 5%.
It probably is, Maria, but the bottom line is the market's repriced over the course of the last couple of weeks. We know that technology stocks have gotten hammered here. Elon knows he can get a better deal. That stock was languishing in the 30s before he came in with his bid. I say he's buying the company. I think it's going to come in at a nice discount to the $44 billion that he initially offered. So, yes, you're right. It's somewhere in there, but this is clearly a negotiating ploy. And always use poop emojis when you're negotiating to get that price down. That's what I gleaned from this.
That was pretty funny. He comes back with the poop emoji. Kelly, what's your reaction? The issue here for Elon Musk is if he gets this deal at much lower in the $20+ billion range as opposed to $44 billion, there will likely be a lot more bidders. It won't just be Elon Musk trying to acquire Twitter.
That's a great point, Maria. And I have to say, as soon as Elon Musk started talking about this, I thought, don't tell me this whole thing has just been a publicity ploy. Is he really serious about buying Twitter? Because isn't this something he would have looked at pretty early on? In the, if he's thinking about buying the company, certainly spam accounts, bots, people have been talking about this pretty much ever since Twitter started. And so I'm a little puzzled why he's just looking at it now. I would have thought he would look at that before, offering up $44 billion. But perhaps Ryan is right, and it's a negotiating tactic. But what's interesting to me is that Elon Musk said he wanted to buy the company partly to preserve free speech. And I wonder, is the number of users on Twitter that much of a consideration for him?
Well, we'll see. I mean, at a minimum, he is exposing Twitter and exposing something that's very important. This is what advertisers pay for, the number of active users. And if the number of active users isn't anywhere close to what they're saying, and it's much more than 5%, this is going to be a continued issue until we hear actual specific numbers here. But we'll keep watching it.